In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use webhooks in GoHighLevel. We're going to set up a simple workflow that fires when a form is submitted and sends that data to an external service using a webhook. This is perfect for handing off leads to another app, triggering custom logic, or syncing data in real time. First, log in to your GoHighLevel sub-account. If you manage multiple locations, make sure you're in the correct one so your automation runs where you expect. Once you're in, head to Automation. This is the area where you build the rules and actions that run behind the scenes. Create a new workflow. A workflow is an automated sequence. It listens for something to happen, then performs actions based on that event. Choose Start from Scratch so we have complete control over each part. Give your workflow a clear name you'll recognize later, like Form to Webhook, Leads. Clear names make troubleshooting and team collaboration much easier. Add a new trigger. A trigger is the event that starts the workflow. For this example, choose Form Submitted. If prompted, pick the specific form you want to monitor so the automation only runs when that exact form is completed. Save the trigger to lock in that condition. Next, click the plus sign to add an action and choose Webhook. A webhook is an outgoing HTTP request that sends data to a URL you control. It's how GoHighLevel notifies another system instantly when something happens, without waiting for a scheduled sync. In the URL field, paste the endpoint provided by the receiving app or your server. Use an HTTPS address, and if your destination requires authentication, configure that securely on the receiving side or via headers if available. Keep your endpoint ready to accept the payload. GoHighLevel sends. Then save the action. Before going live, it's smart to test. Click Test Workflow. Select a contact to use as sample data, ideally one that resembles the real information your form will capture, then run the test. Watch for a success message in GoHighLevel, and check your receiving service or logs for a 200 OK response and the incoming payload. If something doesn't look right, adjust the endpoint or mapping and retest. When you're satisfied, click Publish to activate the workflow. Finally, click Save to make sure all your changes are stored. That's it. Your webhook-enabled workflow is live and will fire each time the selected form is submitted. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.